Today I would like to talk about a knot that I've used for many years. I'll be using the Press Innovations power line. That's a £6 line, and some old Drenham cart match size 14s. This knot was shown to me when I was about 13 years old, and the guy said to me, "I'll show you once and once only," and I had to pay attention. So today I thought I would make a video on it. So there's the size 14 hook. We have some line. Let's take a bit off. Scissors. So I get my hook, thread the eye, pull it through, you can see, so it's like that. And then what we do is we put our finger on like that, we twist 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it looks like that, as you can see there. So that's what we're looking like. Once we've done that, we take that end there and we thread that through the bottom loop. Don't know, my fingers decided to cramp up. And then once we come through that loop, we thread back through the second loop, which is not like that, like this, and then we pull tight, and that should leave you with a 7, like a coil of 7, as you can see there. So if the video is not that good, but coil of 7, and then pull tight and snip off the excess. By then you should be left with one tied hook, which should look like that. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to subscribe, press the button.